Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. My kids were playing with one of my measures yesterday afternoon. They overextended it, and then it would not retract. What they had done is when they overextended it, they broke this internal spring. Now you can see the tip of this. It snapped off. It would typically loop all the way around in a C shape, and then it would clip through this central spindle. You can see it has a nice little cat's eye split in the middle there. It will loop in so that you could coil and preserve energy in the spring. So when you pulled out the measure would retract. This is broken, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to fix that. What I'm going to use is this guy. Everybody worth their salt should have an angle grinder, and that's what I'm going to use to grind a new end on the spring here. So I'll catch you on the flip side. Okay guys, and you can see here it's not perfect. It's not pretty necessarily, but it's good enough to get the job done. Doesn't have to be perfect, just has to get done, right? Went ahead and cut myself a new lead. Now I'm going to take a pair of pliers. We're just going to bend it and create that new C shape that'll connect onto that central spindle there. Okay, catch you on the flip side. Okay guys, using some needle nose pliers, I have gone ahead and bent in a new lip that'll sneak through that central shaft. So let's go ahead and get that taken care of here. I don't know how I'm going to do this one-handed, so I think I'm just going to pause the video as I have been, and I'll just come back to you with this connected. Cool. Okay guys, so since I have this thing open, I did go ahead and use one of my shop towels to kind of give that a quick rub down, get it a little clean. Figured, you know, this thing's probably 20-something years old. I picked it up at a thrift store for like $2. And I thought I would put some lube in there, so we'll go ahead and get that. I'm going to put it right along here, just where there's a common friction point, and that friction point being the back of this. So right there in the center. And yeah, I'll get back to you. Okay, guys, you can see the spring is reattached, and the bottom of that spindle is lubed up. So we will be able to go ahead and reconnect this, I think. I'll see you on the flip side. Right on. Okay, so a couple quick points. First of all, here's the broken piece that fell out when I opened this up. See how the original clip was. Anyways, that broke off. Now, when I pop this open, you see that this had a break on it. You can see it down in there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that these are intentionally offset from each other. I just think that'll add stability as this as the measure coils back in. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then I will go ahead and put some lubrication right there and right here for the friction points on the opposite side. Excuse me, for the opposite side. You can see my empty coffee cup there and my empty, well, almost empty Kleenex box. It is allergy season after all. Okay, I'll see you guys on the flip side. Okay guys, so I got everything wound back up and put back in, and you can see as I'm gonna put the phone down for a second here. You can see as I pull out the measure, that coils that internal spring so that it will feed back in when you want it to go back. Okay, awesome. I hope this helps somebody get a little extra mileage out of their tools versus going spending 20-30 bucks on a new one. Appreciate you. Okay guys, just thought I would show you the final product put back together. I've had this thing, like I said, I got it a long time ago. Oh man, it itself is probably 20, 25, probably late 90s is what I'm thinking, but I've had this one for about 15 years myself. And yeah, now it works and feeds back in as well as it always did. It always kind of stopped right there at the last foot, but I'm sure there's a way to fix that. But what I've always done is just, I just put the lock on it and just leave it there. Anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this and, get some continued life out of your broken tools. Appreciate you. Bye.